I feel like a stranger at home. I can't do what I love and that makes me dissatisfied. I live from day to day without really getting anywhere, which wears me down even more. Maybe you know this. Because nowadays it's normal to go down a life path that you don't enjoy, that doesn't fulfill you. You want a secure life and you give up your dreams for it. It's become normal, but you know what? I'm tired of being normal, because my dreams have talked me out of it. But how exactly do I break out? Step 1. Start my own business. Many jobs prevent you from living the life you're drawn to. They prevent you from being independent and financially free. I have nothing against normal jobs, they are good and important, but nothing for me. That's why I started my own business, which is this channel here. I won't stay only with such videos and shorts, so be curious. As I said in the intro, I don't feel alive at home because I can't do what I feel called to do. So I traveled to Scotland for 2 weeks. A country that I have to admit I have severely underestimated. The vastness of the sea and the rugged cliffs gave me what I needed. A place to reflect about my life, my business and what I want to leave behind. In everyday life we often give ourselves far too little time for this, which is why this trip did me a lot of good. But when you live in a fixed structure, in a hamster wheel for several years, it's difficult to get out of it, at least for me. And that's why it was time for me to make a promise to myself. And by that promise I don't mean my home, I mean my old patterns of thinking and behavior. Because these have prevented me all this time from being the person I want to be. Which is why I'm discarding them for now, forever. For this purpose I have my notebook and now I write down myself what I want to avoid in the future. Let's see how it turns out. I felt a little sad to leave the past behind. But everything has its price, even the future. So I promised myself that from now on I would only listen to what God was going to tell me. To live the life I feel called to live. To create great things with my passion and leave behind something greater than myself. Or in other words, to head towards my North Star. Quick apology before the video ends. Yes, I wasn't being astute, as I'm filming here in my Airbnb in Scotland. Feel free to write me in the comments if you thought it was rather good or bad. I'm looking forward to your opinion. I wish you only the best and believe in you.